Good day, everybody. Welcome to the next and probably one of the last sections of restoring the Lisa Murray. It's been a long journey through 25 sections, and we have done a lot of things on this coach. And I thought I would update you on what the latest is, because we did get the kitchenette counter cut yesterday, which was a big job, measuring precisely on that. And the first thing I'll show you, I was able to get some nice corner molding here to secure and miter this down real good for the flooring here. This will give a nice protection for the new rubberized corn flooring here, and it also gives a very nice detail. This will be painted white. It'll be refreshed down here, and it'll look good. Or else we'll put a piece of black rubber on there, but it'll look very nice. And everything over here will clean up. On the inside, in the back, just to show you, we have put the stripes on the side, for the buttons here. This is these blue detail bars on the back here, and they're going to look really nice with the white buttons on top of them and white buttons back here. So I think things are looking very good. We've reinstalled the water tank. We'll be testing that, but the main event was the installation, as you can see, and we got a really good deal. We were very lucky at the big box store. They had a piece of Formica countertop, very nice looking, that was only $27. We've been able to cut that down, and yesterday put the sink in and put the stove top in. It's not been secured down yet, but you can see it's going to look very nice in there. Position, and it's going to do well. We're going to get the final thing really for the coach is putting the backsplash. Yeah, there's putting LED lights around and other things, but we'll be getting this secured. This looks a little white on the front here because we did some sanding of the Fix It All, which was the floor filler you put in before you put down your flooring, and we have dust, so we need to wipe that down, use the Howard's Restore, get that looking good, and then we'll overcoat all the surfaces with the polyurethane. I have not put on the corner molding yet. We also have the end cap to put on over here. So things have been going good. Luckily the cuts came out wonderfully, and this is a really good surfacing material. This should give a lot of wear. Now, considering somebody donated the stove, a longtime supporter of Elvis Travels, and we were able to pick up the sink for $10 at a flea market and $27 countering. It's not bad for $37 investment into the cabinet. We had to do some restoration. Like I said, there's a lot of powder on the front of here from sanding that we haven't cleaned off. That's why things look a little they have to be cleaned up on here. There's a lot of powder and a lot of residue on the cabinetry. So not much left to do to stick to finally put the dinette in for the last time. Secure the surround with the window curtains. Add the curtains all around. There are buttons on the way, more white and blue buttons for doing the coach, and I think the thing is really going to look sharp when it is done. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and your thumbs up are appreciated. Thank you, everyone.